Hey guys, it's Ashley here and I'm at our newest listing, 3610 Graystone Drive. This is a great property. It has everything you can imagine. It's a ranch style home with 4 bedrooms. 3 of those are on the main, plus you have an office on the main as well. A beautiful hearth room outside of the kitchen with vaulted ceilings, gorgeous crown molding throughout. Also have beautiful hardwood floors, and one of my favorite things is you have 3-car garage on the main level, plus you have a 4th garage in the basement with a driveway around back. Also, you have tons of storage and a workshop downstairs. So come on in and take a look inside.